Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today another easy breakfast recipe. We'll make lemon semia. I have taken 1 cup of semia or vermicelli. So for 1 cup of semia I have taken 5 cups of water and we'll allow it to come to a boil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, that is turmeric powder, to the hot water and also some salt to it. When it starts coming to a boil, add this semia or vermicelli to it. I am also adding a spoon of oil so that the semia will not stick to each other, and cook it on a high flame for 3 minutes. It is just 2 minutes now, but still let's just check the semia. See, it should be cooked but not become mushy. So depending on the quality of the semia, 2 to maximum 3 minutes, not more than that. Now switch it off, drain out this excess water. Now just pour a cup of cold water over this. And keep it aside to drain thoroughly. Now heat a tablespoon of oil in a kadai. Add some mustard seeds, groundnuts, Urad dal, some Channa Dal and some jeera or cumin seeds. Saute everything till the dals are well roasted. I am adding a small pinch of hing just for added flavor. When the groundnuts are roasted, the dals are also well browned. Here I have some grated ginger, 2 to 3 green chillies chopped and a few curry leaves. Now toss in this boiled semia. Reduce the flame and mix it thoroughly so that all the spices and dals get well mixed. Remember, we have already added salt while boiling the semia, so I am not adding any salt now. Finally, top it up with some fresh coriander leaves. Now we can switch it off. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon onto this. See, our perfectly done lemon semia is ready, not sticking to each other at all. Now we are ready to serve it out. It makes a good breakfast recipe, or even if you want to carry it in your lunchbox, you can do so. It tastes great as it is, but if you want to provide a little bit crunch, you can serve it along with any crispy snack which you have. Today I have this salted bundi at home, so I thought I'll serve it along with this, and you're ready to have a lovely tasty breakfast. Wasn't that easy? Simply delicious lemon semia, done in just no time at all. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. We'll meet again with another interesting, quick and easy breakfast recipe video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.